This video is to show you how to add a new healthcare partner that might refer kids to CoachArt. So the first thing you're going to do is look to see if they're already there. I like to search by email. So you could just put in the email, let's say test@healthcare.org, because if they're already there, you obviously don't need to add them. So if they're not there, you're going to go ahead and from the Home tab, you're going to go to Create New and then select Contact. You're going to leave it on Adult and hit Continue. Once you get here, you'll plug in any information that you have. I'm just going to paste that email address, my test email, and then put the first and last name. You're going to check and see if their organization is here. So if it's, Test Hospital, and hit search. And if nothing comes up, then I'm going to show you next how to add that. You won't be able to save it if it's not already there. But if it's something like Oakland Children's Hospital, that should be there. And you could just pick that. I'm not sure where that particular one is, but yeah, you can look it up and see if it's already there. You would put the affiliated CoachArt office, whichever one applies, and any other information you have, if you have their phone number, etc. Their title is really helpful, child life specialist, whatever it might be. You'll click Save. And then once that loads up, you're going to add this contact classification. So you're going to pick healthcare partner, and today is the start date, and you can pick if they're physician, social worker, child life, etc., and save. Now it's really important that we do affiliate them with a hospital because we'll know where they're coming from. So like I said, if it's a new hospital, a new clinic, you're going to have to create that too. So now you're going to go to Create New Account, and you're going to pick Organization, and you're going to type the name of the organization. So let's say it's Test Hospital. Whatever information you have about the main hospital, you're going to add that in, website, address, anything that you do have. But really, most importantly, is just to make sure you have the name of that hospital, and you're going to save that. And then you're going to want to go back to your contact and affiliate them with the Test Hospital. So now that we've got that, we're going to go ahead and affiliate them with Test Hospital and save that. And then the last step, let me see if this happened automatically. Okay, so it automatically creates this organization affiliation. So that's it. The one other thing that would be really helpful for you to do is go into that organization affiliation and put their role there again so it shows up in both places. So that's it. It's really important that we add new hospital and healthcare referring partners so we can keep spreading the word. We've got a monthly email that goes out that Desiree and Sarah Williams work on. So please make sure to do this. It'll automatically feed into HubSpot. And I actually just forgot the most important step right here. You have to check this box. And that's what HubSpot pulls from. So now that's it. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.